Okay, so this is the contraption for people who don't want to answer the door because they're still sleeping in bed. So the ball is put on the ramp, and it slides down the ramp and hits the trampoline. The trampoline bounces the ball back onto the track, which rolls down the track, hits the corner, rolls down the track, hits the cord, which plugs into the motor, and the motor spins around and pulls on the string, which is attached to the door, which has a ball on top of it, and when the door opens, the ball falls into the cup right there, which catches the ball.
The ball will go down the track, hit this wall, which will continue down here, hit another wall, which will then continue down the track, and hit the fan switch. When it hits the fan switch, the fan will begin to spin, pulling the string up and forcing the tire weight to raise as it spins outward, which will then hit this lever, which will hit the other lever, which will then hit the third lever and start the dominoes. Dominoes will continue down, then hitting into the DVDs, which will in turn hit the car that's off to the side, where it'll be hooked up so that it'll be nudged down by the DVDs, and the car will go down the stairs and hit that barricade, which will nudge the first ball. First ball will continue down this track, hit this lever, which will then start this ball to go down the track in the opposite direction, hitting the next lever, hitting the ball down, next lever, ball down, next lever, ball down, to the final lever, which will hit the final ball down the longer track, which will stop when it hits this chain here, and it will wait for one of these pickups to pick it up and carry it all the way up the chain to where it will drop into a catcher, which will put it onto a rail. The rail will send the ball down all the way across and hit the trigger down there. The trigger will set off another weight of tires, which will then fall down in a pulley situation with the rope, which will then lift this lock and open the door.